your beats. HustleDreamProduction.
YouTube, listen up. Listen, man. My hair is kind of stiff acting, all right? After Wavy Kid cut my hair has been acting a little dry, a little stiff, as you can kind of see. So today is basically wash day, and I'm gonna take this and turn it back into something silky, all right? Let's go. All right, so first things first, you need to get 2 washes in, all right? Just don't get one. You gotta do the pre-wash and then the final washing style, all right? So let's go. All right, so the bar that I'm gonna use is this Nova Naturals milk bar, all right? I don't know, it's on novanaturals.org, all right? Link will be in the description. Let's go. All right, so like I said, the first wash is just to get the grit and grime out. Let's do a session. So the first wash, basically, it's not gonna have that much lather. So the second wash is where I do the washing style. I don't really wash 3 times. I don't wanna dry my hair completely out. So let's rinse this out and let's do another wash. Alright, so now that it's all in my hair, let me go do a real brush session. Alright, I'm just gonna do the washing style. Put some oil in with this wash. After I'm done, then rag up. Rinse with the do-rag, then boom. Let's go get a brush session in. Let's go. All right, so my hair is nice and dry. Let's see what it's looking like. I already know what it's gonna look like. I already used the bar before. The bar is fire. Now, I'm telling you, this is straight out of a wash. My crown is gonna be a little bit messed up. Let's just throw that out there right now. My crown is gonna be a little bit messed up, but the texture, the silkiness of my hair is gonna be there. Bars. Come on now. Let's go.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
So right now, I'm just gonna start by fixing my crown first. All right, so basically, I don't do an extensive brush session after my wash. I just kind of lay everything in place, then throw my do-rag back on. And basically just lock in the wash for real, you know what I mean? Like fresh out of a wash, it's always gonna look crazy, it's always gonna look mangled, but you gotta do that brush session, put it back in place, and then just lock it in. Once you got everything in place, go to sleep, then you can wake up, do your brush sessions, all right? So I hope this video was entertaining. I hope it was enough to get you to do a wash today, because I know your hair is nasty. Okay, let's just be real. Some of y'all need these videos, okay, to inspire you to wash your hair. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm out. Peace.